It's like we're running in circles.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are in El Candelaria, downtown Bogota basically. So we are doing a walking tour, something I found from an app called GPS My City. It will be taking us through a bunch of historical sites, museums, plazas, a lot of architecture.
So it's kind of a self-guided walking tour.
It is.
Awesome.
So we're going to try it out. We'll see how it works.
Yeah.
So we are starting our tour right here behind us. Is the Museo Del Oro. So the gold museum. So, you know, being a girl.
Well, who doesn't like gold?
Who doesn't want gold?
Yeah, I mean, you know, kings, pharaohs, they all love the gold. So, hey, I'm into gold. Sounds good. Okay, so let's go start with the museum. And oh, geez, there's a llama. There's a kid riding a llama right over here. That's pretty cool.
Very much.
All right, so let's go. There seems to be a short lineup. Let's go stand in line for the museum. I have no idea how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it's affordable.
So my research was the museum was 4,000 copas. So a little bit more than what, $1 Canadian?
Yeah. Right, so that's for two people, so it's 8,000.
And the highlight of this museum is it's basically pre-Hispanic gold. It's apparently the largest collection of pre-Hispanic gold in Colombia, or in South America, I believe. So we're gonna go check it out and check out the bling.
All right, let's go. Well, unfortunately, we're not allowed to videotape inside the museum, so this is all the footage I can get for you guys. This is a really cute little statue, not made of gold. But we're going to move on our journey, and we're going to continue walking to our next destination.
Where the sunflowers bloom, breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever, I'll be yours forever.
Alright guys, so we are at Iglesia de San Francisco, so a Catholic church that apparently was built in 1550 and is still standing.
Wow. All right, and after this church, where are we off to?
We are off to Palacio de San Francisco, so seems to be some guy's big palace.
Oh, I like palaces.
We do like palace.
Let's see if we can get a stay there. That'd be awesome. All right, off to the palace.
Can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down.
So, we have definitely hit the jewelry section of Bogota. Who needs a gold museum? Who needs a gold museum when you've got all this jewelry and bling all over the place? Watches, everything. These are pretty cool, these storefronts. This is quite the location. I am gonna have to grab Josie and move her along. This could get dangerous, folks.
I keep losing track of time.
Okay, so right here we have Casa de la Moneda, which is really basically the old mint, if you will, for Colombia. So the very first gold coins and everything were minted here. They no longer use it this way. This is now a museum where you could basically come in. Although I see that it still says it's Banco de la República, which surprises me to see that, but you know, they're closed today anyway, so we can't see. They are also right alongside a museum that I really wanted to see, but unfortunately, which is Museo Botero, which is all those famous, has all those famous statues of Fernando Botero, plus all of his other works, which is awesome. But unfortunately, they are closed today. So I will have to make a point of coming again and see that museum at a later time. Shit to be me, but that happens all the time.
Baby, keep
is a really cute, quaint colonial street. Absolutely love all these nice Colombian colonial style buildings.
Look at this.
Yeah, oh, look at this.
Okay, so this was our next stop.
Look at this, guys. What a view on this shot. Nice.
All right, everyone. So we are on Calle 3 or Carrera 3. I'm not sure which one. This is kind of a side trip from our GPS walking plan. But look, as you can see, this is just gorgeous. We couldn't resist. Beautiful mountains in the background. This street has just got charm written all over it. Who can resist this?
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're
So we just came across an artillery museum. You know, this is really for the guys out there. It's like, we love to see guns and toys and tanks and stuff like that. So there you go. Little eye candy for you guys. We're not actually going inside the museum, just in case we can't film. This right now is pretty cool from the yard point.
Yes.
We're continuing on our walking tour.
You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might miss it? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine.
So this area of Bogota is just filled with old colonial buildings that have been restored and used for various museums, historical sites. Just charming.
Shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
So what's with all the pigeons? Or should I call them squab? Free squab! They're not scared of you.
They're not.
They're not taking flight for nothing. They're everywhere. People are feeding them. There, you got Birdman.
All right, everyone. So we are in Bolivar Square. So this is basically the heart of the historical old town of Bogota. The buildings surrounding in the square are the Justice of the Peace, Congress, all the main buildings.
So the municipality.
Municipalities, government buildings.
Cool. They always get the best squares, don't they?
This is quite the square with quite a lot of squab.
Squab. Free squab. I've even got them eating out of my hand. And
Is
dude, that's rude. Dude, that's rude.
wow.
Okay, this is some freaky stuff, guys.
Okay.
We bought the corn,
So,
and yeah, we bought the corn, and they are all over us. You know what? This is pretty cool. Squab, free squab. Jose, they are all over you. It is
oh.
She's telling you how to pose. Oh my God, I got them on me. Okay, I got them on me now too. This is crazy. These guys are everywhere. Ah, no, gracias, señor. Look at this shot.
Okay, this is a little freaky.
Well, yeah.
Say
That's a pretty cool
Once
shot.
in a lifetime.
Right. That's awesome.
I got no more, sweetie. My head's
All right,
red.
throw them up. She's sailing it. Throw them up. Okay. Oh my God. I'm covered in them.
That's good. I'm good.
I'm covered in them.
Which is good.
Okay. You. Hey, well.
They're all gone. Sorry. Just a few more on this side. Some on the other side. You know what? You guys are surprisingly soft.
Yeah.
You want me to take that from you? Hey, you're just following it, eh?
You guys are just like in love with me.
Hi. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, this is just the weirdest experience. Let's see if we can do it. Zoom in. Do you want to kiss one?
No. Do I want to kiss one?
That's quite the shot. Awesome. All right, guys, if you're looking for squab,
Pigeon Central.
they are. I'm gonna say they're well fed.
Oh, finito.
Oh, sí,
Finito.
No, gracias.
Oh, no. We got plenty here. Gracias, señorita. You guys are ruining my coat a little. All right. Okay guys, so we've done all our stops now, and all except for one that we could not reach because of road blockages and stuff like that. Not sure what's going on there. So now we're off the rails, guys. We're off the path that's been Google mapped for us, and we are just wandering around. Oh, that's crazy monkeys.
Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it.
All right, everyone, this concludes our walking tour of La Candelaria, the old historic downtown district of Bogota. If you liked what you saw, click like down below. Like, subscribe, notifications if you don't want to miss our next video. Also, check out Travel to Colombia for our playlist. Everything Colombia.
There you go. Bye.
Bye.